first tip about cooking with a wok, this is a carbon steel wok, is to preheat the wok. So I usually put it on medium or high. If you put it on high, it's going to be really hot. So you need to cut your ginger and your garlic, your aromatics a little bit larger because you'll burn, it'll disintegrate right away. So I just put it on medium for this. And I'm actually using chopped up garlic and ginger. So you can actually cut it up like this and store it in the fridge for a week. So now I'm going to put some oil on there. So I'll put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. So you can see that heating up right now. I'm going to put the aromatics in. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. So 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic. And just to fry that for about 15 seconds. The wok is pretty hot. I was preheating it for a long time. So just put the ginger and the garlic to the side. That's important because you don't want to burn the ginger and the garlic. And the next step, you put the vegetables in depending on how long it cooks. So this is zucchini. So it's going to cook longer than the bok choy, the Chinese vegetables. So you put that in first. At this point I can turn the heat on to high. I just want to give the veggies a good sear. So you got a nice sear going on the veggies there, mix in the ginger and the garlic. So just let that cook for about, I'd say about a couple minutes at least, depending how well the veggies you want to cook. I like my veggies a little bit on the raw side. So this has a good sear on it, you can see, has a good sear. So what you call the wok hei, the wok chi, that's the sear from the carbon steel wok. So you get that flavor. Carbon steel flavor called wok hei. Another tip is to cut the vegetables roughly the same size. So you see all the zucchini same size. So I'm going to put in the bok choy. The bok choy is all roughly cut the same size. You just cut it lengthwise. So you put the bok choy in last because they cook a lot faster. I like my bok choy a little bit on the raw side. So keep the heat on high right now. And give that a good sear. Good sear, not sear. So give that a good sear. So another secret to Chinese cooking vegetables is to cut the vegetables beforehand. Get everything cut beforehand. You have the ginger, the garlic cut beforehand as well. So when you cook, it's actually very quick to cook. You don't spend a lot of time cooking. A lot more time prepping. In China, it's actually very popular to put broth in there. So this is a broth from chicken with light soy sauce. I put some sesame oil. I put some dark soy sauce. I put it in there. So I'm just going to put this into my veggies. So just put that in. So that's a very popular way to cook veggies in China, using broth. So now I'm just going to turn the heat down. You change the flavor by using different kind of sauces. So I like oyster flavor sauce. That always brings out the flavor. You can also put the oyster flavor sauce at the end when you already have the veggies up. You get more intense oyster flavor sauce, but I put it right in. It's a little more subtle this way. Still taste it, but not as intense as when you put the oyster flavor sauce directly on the veggies before serving. There you have it, Chinese vegetable stir fry. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.